Hello friends, hope all of you are doing fine. So here I'm again with one more interesting video. So this time I'm going to talk about how is that we can test our strategies using price action. I will not be using any kind of indicators. Uh, I think this video is mostly for retailers who are either studying or who are working, and then they wanted to test their strategies and then see how the price action may be on a Saturday or a Sunday. But unfortunately, both on Saturday and Sunday the markets will not be open. No, because after markets, I think anyone can say, I mean, this is a trend line, there was a breakout, and this was a volume, all that stuff. But what is that you do during a live trade and then decide whether it's going to go up or whether it's going to go down? So that is very important. And how is that we can do on a Saturday or a Sunday? As all of you know that both on Saturdays and Sundays the market will be open. However, if you see the cryptocurrency and then the bitcoins, they run even on Saturday, Sunday. So if you can see, this is the Bitcoin. So most of the times, I think strategies will be the same and different techniques, I think all will be applied to any kind of a chart. So for us to see whether our strategies are working great or not, so we can test on live market, which is this, and do it on a paper trading. So for that, we can do it on paper trading. If you can see this, I think this is a paper trading account. And if you can say just connect, I think it will connect. If you, for that, you have to have a trading account login. Even a free version will do. So let's see how we can take how we analyze a particular stock or an asset or an option during a live market. So let us analyze Bitcoin and then try to see where we can, whether we want to sell it or whether we want to buy it. So if you see, I think there is a high here. Let's mark the high. Yeah, this is the high. This seemed to be the second high, and then this seemed to be third intermediate high. Okay, and then let's see. Try to connect what we can see. If I'm connecting the both immediate highs, I could get a trend line like this on a daily chart with 5 minutes time frame. So if I'm going again, I'm trying to connect the lows. So it will be like this. And again, if I want to connect this one like this, and if you can see, I think this seems to be a major resistance. If I'm starting here, so this went up, came down here, tried to go up again, found resistance here, came down again, went tried to go up, found resistance here, came down. This seem to be a place wherein you have sellers sitting here. So again, if you can see, again prices got rejected, again got rejected, again got rejected here. Tried to went up, got rejected again, and then went up and then tried to broke it, and that's when you have the next selling zone. So this will be your thing. So till the time we are not breaking this trend line on the downside, we will not be selling. Let's wait for let's 1 more minute because we are on time 5 minutes time frame. Let's see if it bounces from here or it will break it close below this line. The volumes, if you see, I think they are completely, most of the people are selling in these past three candles. Let's put this support as red. Yeah, let's put this trend line as red. So if you can see, it is trying to close above this support line. It seems to be closing below this blue line, and then the next candle is trying to break above it. I think if it breaks and closes above, then we will buy. Otherwise, we are going to sell. Yeah, this is going up, so trying to close above this line. So if we wait for the candle close, I think we might miss out this moment. So just going by the price action, if at all, let's see, let's take one more trend line here like this. Yeah, so this is a both, I mean, this is intersection of two lines. So it has to go above this one. That's when we will buy. Otherwise, it's a pure sell. Because if you see the long wicks here, so that will be that indirectly says that the buyers are rejecting, the sellers are coming in very fast. So let's do one. Let's take based on this. I think we can sell it here. You just say right click and then trade, create order, and then let's say 1,000 quantity. Okay, and then we are selling it at the market price. So we sold. So if you see, this is the current situation. We are making $10 loss, now $20 profit. With the quantity we sold, now $940 profit, like that. 380 loss now. So and because this is a pure paper trading, I think we should not be bothered about what is the loss we are making. So let's go by the process, and then we'll have the stop loss above this line somewhere here. If you feel that it's still going to close below this line, then we'll add more quantity to the selling. See, it's going completely down. It's completely, we are already 41,000 profit. No, it's always suggestible to add on a winning trade. So similarly, because we are in profit, I think we can short again here on this level. So I'll try to add one more order somewhere here. Just say trade. Let's go to the paper trading. Yeah, this is the one we are adding. So just right click, create new order, and then short again. Again, 1,000 quantity at market price short. So now we have total 2,000 quantity. Okay, 2,000 quantities. We are in purely profit of 28,000, 34,000 now. And then see if at all it takes support on this trend line. Then because if you see that there is a trend line which might act as support, and there is again this line, which from where I think it take a U-turn here. If you see this part, so from this position it has taken a U-turn. So probably, most probably, I think we might book profit here. If it breaks, then we can hold it. So 51,000 profit. We're still seeing whether it's going to close uh, below this trend line. Yeah, anyway, because this is already closing below this blue line. So that's why we have added more positions. Let's see where the next candle goes. It should ideally touch this and take support here on this, both the trend line and this support line, and then go up, or maybe completely break down and then come to at least this level. Let's see. Yeah, ideally, because if at all we are trading in the real time market, wherein you might not be having capital to short 30,000, so we can see just by one quantity or two quantity, just to be, because the profit is here is looking very good because of the quantity. But if at all it's a real market, I think we will be only using with the capital we have, so which might not be 1,000 quantity or 2,000 quantity. See, this is trying to go up now. I mean, let's go to 50 minutes time frame. So yeah, this candles of this is broken on a 15-minute time, then we are going to definitely go till here. So let's see how it does. Whether if it's, yeah, see, it's still coming down. It's a real-time trade. I think we can be happy and then keep revising our stop losses. But again, if at all, just going by the pure price action, I think we can again short it here at this high. I'll add again one more position. Let's say 1,000 points. Again, I'm selling at market price. Okay, and then sell. So now I have 3,000 quantity. Even though it's not real money, but at least you can simulate the real market behavior by seeing the charts here. See, it's coming down. One good thing or bad thing here is that the real time emotions might not be applicable, because this is just a paper trading, but only just that the chart simulation real time will be uh, applicable to this kind of trades. We can see how the price action moves and what levels I think generally the price goes up, or what levels generally the price goes on, and what are the inflection points wherein it will take a U-turn. Yeah, things like this you can see. Because I have, on any asset that the price action is the same, the buyers and sellers will be the same. So if you see long wicks are coming, it clearly says that I think the price is not going to go up, and that is the conviction why we have taken the sell side. I think this line might be broken. 661 is the level to watch out. So this will be broken, I think. But if it closes above this line, I think we'll exit our position. So irrespective of whether what profit we make or whether we are in loss, so ideally we should be following the process. So it's almost ready to break the support now. It has already came down below the support in just 9 more seconds. So if this closes below this line, because if you see there is a big red volume also, so it double confirms that it's going to go down. Yeah, it might be starting or opening with the green, but I think it will be coming down for sure. See, it is started coming down. So and that's the reason we keep on pyramiding. Yeah, of course, again, I try to reiterate again, this is just a paper account, but even if it's a real trade also, because of the capital limitations everywhere, see the power candle, how it's drastically coming down. See this is the power candle. So we can book our profits here on this level. If it breaks, then that will be great profit. Seems like this is taking a support here. Let's see whether it's want to go up. So it seems like this is going to go up after taking the support. So if it's going above this level, I think we can close it. But that is how generally we try to trade. Yeah, see, this might be become bullish now. So let me close this position. Close it. That's all. So see now it's trying to. I mean, this has been taken as support, and then if at all this closes above this, I think then that will be a real bullish candle. Because now this is becoming a hammer on a red side. But hopefully, if it gets converted into a green hammer, then that's when you see that it might shoot up. If you might have observed, I think these lines were drawn well before the price came here. So yeah, that's how the price action behaves. If you can see, I think this is closing above this level. So if you see, this might be becoming a green hammer. See the movement, see the upward movement. If you're on a sell side, that's when it gives an opportunity for you to sell. Sometimes I think trapping might happen because see the movement upwards, and just about when the candle is about to close, there might be a big fall again. So we have to be really careful about the stop losses, and especially if you're doing an options, I think because of the time decay, I think it's very tricky. And that's the reason, if you might observe, even when I'm giving the option calls, I try to see whether the crucial levels are broken. That's when we have to exit the option positions. Generally do is have this option position in your account, and then on crucial levels on either a spot chart or in a future chart, that's when I try to exit it market. I think I'll try to wrap this up on this candle close, and then I hope this video has helped. How is that we want to do, or how is that we want to analyze the trade price action, how is that we draw the trend lines, and what are the levels we generally look out for, and how is that you trade based on the price chart. So this is much like a learning exercise for all of you, especially for retailers, where you can try to use this platform in TradingView for paper trading. Yeah, thanks guys. I think I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, please try to share it as many people as possible. Thank you.